Hello, and welcome to this unique video. Today, we'll look at some of the world's most inspiring acts of kindness. Get ready to see how kindness and generosity can make a difference across borders, cultures, and languages. These touching stories show how powerful kindness is and remind us that kindness always wins, even when things are hard. Story 1: The Free Haircuts for the Homeless Project. In 2015, an Australian hairdresser named Nasir Subhani started a project called Street Cuts, where he provided free haircuts to the homeless population in Melbourne. Nasir's goal was simple: to uplift the spirits of those in need by giving them a fresh start and a new look. His compassionate act has since inspired other hairdressers worldwide to join in, spreading kindness one haircut at a time. Story 2: School Janitor's Surprise Birthday Party. In 2019, a group of high school students in New Jersey threw a surprise birthday party for their janitor. They surprised him because they knew he lived alone and had no family nearby. The students pooled their money to buy decorations, cake, and gifts, which turned the school gym into a happy place. The janitor was so thankful that he couldn't stop crying, and this heartwarming story shows how small acts of kindness can have a big effect. Story 3: Stranger's Act of Compassion for a Young Boy. In 2017, a photo was taken of a young boy in the Philippines doing his homework in the dim light of a street lamp. The picture went viral, and a kind stranger decided to help by getting a solar-powered lamp for the boy and his family. This kind of act brightened up the boy's home and highlighted how important it is for poor children to have access to education and resources. Story 4: The Train Ride That Changed Lives. In 2015, on a train in France, an American tourist named Tarek saw a single mother with 4 kids who were struggling. Tarek wanted to help the family, so he bought them train tickets, food, and new clothes. The story spread like wildfire, and a crowdfunding campaign was started to help the family even more. It raised more than $30,000 for them. This amazing act of kindness shows us that no matter where we are, we can make a difference in the lives of others. Story 5: Green Thumbs in India. In 2016, over 800,000 volunteers gathered in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh to plant 50 million trees in just 24 hours. This worldwide effort broke many records and was meant to fight climate change and make the area greener. It showed that when we work together, we can make a difference. Story 6: Lost Toy Travels the World. In 2018, when a little boy lost his favorite stuffed animal at the airport, staff members found it and took it worldwide. The staff showed the boy pictures of the toy traveling worldwide before it was safely returned to its owner. This made the boy smile. Story 7: Human Chain in Panama. In 2017, a group of beachgoers off the coast of Panama created a human chain to save a family engulfed in a dangerous rip current. Strangers joined hands and reached into the water, bringing the family back to safety. This unexpected display of teamwork demonstrated that working together can overcome even the most difficult obstacles. Story 8: The Syrian Refugee Who Returned a Wallet. In 2018, when Mohammed, a Syrian refugee in Germany, found a wallet on the streets of Berlin with 2,000 euros, he had to make a hard choice. Even though he had trouble with money, he returned the wallet to its rightful owner. Mohammed's honesty moved the wallet's owner, so he started a crowdfunding campaign and raised more than 50,000 euros for the boy and his family. This heartwarming story shows that being kind can spread and lead to even more acts of kindness. Story 9: An Anonymous Kidney Donor. In 2012, a young man named Graham got a kidney transplant from an unknown donor that saved his life. Graham was so thankful that he wanted to pay it forward. He volunteered at a local hospital, spending time with people waiting for organ transplants and giving them emotional support. Graham's story shows that a single act of kindness can greatly impact many people's lives. Story 10: Chained to My Heart. In 2019, in India, a group of teenagers started a project called Chained to My Heart. They used social media to promote acts of kindness and compassion, which inspired their followers to do good things and share their stories. The movement spread worldwide as thousands posted pictures of their good deeds, making a chain of kindness from Mumbai to Madrid.